Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. So if you don't like to listen to the dubbing or you just want to watch the video in its native language, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to make sure you have the YouTube app in your phone. You can get it from Google Play Store or App Store and then just simply click onto its icon to open it. And once you get onto the YouTube, just simply search for the video or just simply go to that video of which you want to turn off auto dubbing. So I'll tell you, for auto dubbing you have to go to the video to stop it, because some of the videos have enabled this option for auto dubbing and some not, or maybe for some creators they have disabled this option, but for those this option is enabled. We have to go to that specific video, then we can turn off the auto dubbing. We cannot go to the settings and turn off the auto dubbing. We have to go to every video that we have to watch and then turn off the auto dubbing. As you can see, this video has auto dubbing option. Under its title you can see it's a auto dub. That means this video is auto dubbed. So for every video, if you see this auto dubbed option, for that you have to do is you have to click onto that settings icon which is on the top right of every video.
This is a new
Once
thing
you
we have.
click onto that sign of the gear, you will see few options. From there you will see this option which is audio track. Right now it is English. You have to click onto it, and after that it will show you the other original language. It could be any language. Right now it is Hindi, but it could be any language. You have to simply click onto it, and after
एक्सप्लोर
that the
करिए।
auto dubbed
आई नो ये
option
आउट
will
ऑफ
be turned
कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, किसी
off
को नहीं
and
पता
you
हम
will
कहाँ हैं।
be able to watch the video in the native language. So that's how you can turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.